Welcome again. Please state your name and who you represent and your testimony.
Thank you very much for having me. Kyle Bachus, I represent myself and also the Colorado Trial Lawyers Association. I'm not sure who drafted this bill initially, but I'm pretty sure it's an insurance company. Here's what whoever drafted this bill wants to accomplish. They want to be able to sell you 5 uninsured motorist policies on 5 different cars in your household. And they want to legally then charge you 5 premiums, and then in the fine print of their policy, include language that says, even though you paid 5 premiums, you only get to use 1 coverage. This bill is, we can call it the fine print bill, because that's what it really is. Look at it yourself. How about you go home and tell your wife or your husband or your kid, hey, we bought $500,000 worth of coverage. Oh, but the fine print says we can only use $100,000. That's what you're doing.
Most of our clients, right, and our future clients, they got up and went to work today. They don't know what's going on down at the Capitol. They don't have a lobbyist telling them, hey, by the way, you know, the insurance lobby is trying to pass a bill today down at the Capitol. You need to go sign up for it. These laws are written in a very obscure manner. And so even if you're trying to do your due diligence as a consumer or a citizen, you probably aren't in tune with what they're really doing. And so that's where we feel like we can help, because we know these laws. We fight these companies every single day. We've been here doing this for a long time, 20 years. We've been fighting these companies. And so we think we're in a unique position to work to read the laws that they're trying to pass and to go be a voice for the people, not for the corporations. And you're right, we're outnumbered. You know what? But hey, we're outnumbered when you look at the dollars that the insurance industry has to spend to fight against regular people anyway. And so we feel like it's another arena for us to go in and say, this is not going unseen. You know, and you may have heard me when I testified said, I want to make sure that the people on the panel who are voting understand what the laws are doing, and I want to make sure their constituents hear it. Because you know what? There weren't a lot of reporters in there who are going to report this. It's not going to be out there. But what we saw today is an example of an attempt to take rights away from consumers, and we're there to fight against it.